Let us see the grammar. Degrees of comparison. So what is degrees of comparison? An adjective qualifies a noun or a pronoun. We call it as degrees of comparison. So I said here an adjective qualifies a noun. So what is an adjective? You might have read in a lower grade. An adjective is a verb that adds something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. In short, we say that all describing word of a noun or a pronoun, we call it as an adjectives. Isn't it? For example, Sita is a clever girl. So what kind of a girl is Sita? She's a clever. I am describing Sita as a clever. Isn't it? So here clever, the word is an adjective. Now let us come to the point. The degrees of comparison. So I said degrees of comparison is an adjective qualifies a noun or a pronoun. The adjective has 3 degrees of comparison. So the adjective has 3 degrees of comparison. They are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Let us see one by one what is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay. So first let us see positive degree. So positive degree is nothing but when one person is involved. Positive degree is when one person is involved. We are not comparing to any other. Okay. Example, Sita is a clever girl. Am I comparing Sita to anybody else? No. I am saying that Sita is a clever girl. So there is no any comparison in this. Thus we say it as positive degree. Now look at the second one. Comparative degree. Comparative degree is when 2 person or objects are compared. For example, Sita is cleverer than her sister. So I am comparing Sita to her sister, isn't it? So there is the comparison between 2 person at the same class. So comparison between the 2 person or objects, we call it as comparative degree. Now look at the third one, superlative degree. When 3 or more persons or objects are compared. So the comparison between more than 3 persons, we call it as superlative degree. Here, example, Sita is the cleverest girl. So on the whole, I am saying that Sita is the cleverest girl among her family. So I am comparing Sita to more than 3 persons, isn't it? So here, did you look at the difference? Here, comparative degree, I said Sita is cleverer than her sister. So I have added ER. So we have to add ER to the adjectives and followed by the conjunction than in comparative degree. And in superlative degree, we used to add EST or most to the adjectives before the verb the. Let us recall once again. The degrees of comparison is an adjective qualifies a noun or a pronoun. So the adjective has 3 degrees of comparison. They are positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Positive degree is the when one person is involved. We are not comparing with anybody else. Whereas in comparative degree, we used to compare 2 person or objects. Comparison between 2 person or objects. Last, superlative degree is the comparison more than 3 persons. Okay, we have to add ER to the adjectives in comparative degree. Whereas in superlative degree, we used to add EST. In some cases, if a word is more than 2 syllables, the word is more than 2 or 3 syllables, we have to add more to the comparative degree and most to the superlative degree. Let us see the examples. So there are 3 types changing the words. Let us see the type 1 tabular column, okay, which we add ER and EST. So look at the tabular column, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. The first one, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Long, longer, longest. We are adding just ER and EST to the adjectives, isn't it? Deep, deeper, deepest. Rich, richer, richest. Brave, braver, bravest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Rare, rarer, rarest. Happy, happier, happiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Here we know the rules. A word which ends with Y, we have to add IER and IEST. Big, bigger, biggest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. We have to add double N and next. Hot, hotter, hottest. Next, we shall see the type 2. In first type, we saw that we are adding ER and EST to the adjectives, isn't it? Here, an adjectives having more than 2 syllables form their comparative and superlative degree with more and most. A word that had 2 or more syllable, we have to use more or most before the adjectives. Now look at the example. Difficult. More difficult, most difficult. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Generous, more generous, most generous. So we have to add more and most for the comparative and superlative degree in this type of adjectives. Okay. Now the third one, we have irregular comparison. The whole word will be changed. For example, well or good. You have to change the word as better, best. So in comparative degree, we used to change the word as better for good and best for superlative degree. Second, ill or evil. Worse, worst. Much or many. More, most. Old, older or elder. Oldest or eldest. Up, upper, uppermost. So in these cases, we are changing the whole word. Right? Next, we will see model 1. That is the comparison involving 3 or more unequal things. In first case, we saw the word in the same class. I said Sita is a clever girl. Sita is cleverer than her sister, isn't it? So we are comparing the person or objects at the same class. Now here, the comparison involving 3 or more unequal things. For example, Krishna is the tallest boy in the class. So here Krishna is compared to the boys on the whole in the class. So we are adding the tallest boy in superlative degree. When we change the sentence into comparative degree, we have to write as Krishna is taller than any other boy in the class. So we are comparing the boys in the whole class, isn't it? So I have told you for comparative degree, we have to add ER to the adjectives followed by the conjunction than. Okay. And here the comparison is among the class. So we have to write as any other boy in the class. Right. And in positive, no other boy in the class is so tall as Krishna. No other boy in the class is so tall as Krishna. So here we are not comparing with anybody else. Okay. So formula for the first one, the plus adjective or the most adjective of N. So if the syllable is more than 2, if a word is more than 2 syllable, we have to use most plus adjective. Okay. In comparative degree, adjective plus ER, or if the word is more than 2 syllable, we have to add more plus adjectives followed by the conjunction than or any other. Okay. And third one, in positive degree, no other with so adjective as. Right. So look at the example once again. Krishna is the tallest boy in the class. So Krishna is compared with the whole boy in the class. So we have to add the plus est to the adjectives. In second one, the comparison is between the boy and Krishna. So Krishna is taller than any other boy in the class. So Krishna is compared with the class. No other boy in the class is so tall as Krishna. In model 1, we saw the comparison involved in unequal things, isn't it? Here, the second one is comparison involving 3 or more equal things. Example, Madras is one of the biggest cities in India. So, the comparison is more than 3 equal things. So, we are adding the plus adjectives, one of the biggest cities in India. Whereas in comparative degree, Madras is bigger than many other cities in India. So we are comparing Madras with India. Madras city with India. Okay. Very few cities in India are as big as Madras. So look at the difference. First one, superlative degree. Madras is one of the biggest cities in India. So the Madras is compared with all the cities in India. Okay. So we are adding est to the adjectives. Second one, Madras is bigger than many other cities in India. Positive degree. Very few cities in India are as big as Madras. So, what is the difference between the first model and second model? In superlative degree, we are adding one of the. Here the comparison is more than 3 equal things. In first model, we saw that unequal things. Here, we are comparing with equal things. So, the formula is one of the plus adjective plus est. Okay. If the word is more than 2 syllables, you have to add most. And second, comparative degree, we are adding adjective plus er following by the conjunction than or more adjective word than or most other. Okay. For third one, positive degree, very few as adjective as. Okay. So the common thing that we have to keep in mind is in superlative degree, the adjective is preceded by the. So before the adjectives, you have to use the for superlative degree. Okay, the common thing that you should keep in mind. In superlative degree, the adjective is preceded by the. In comparative degree, the adjective is followed by than. After the adjective, you have to add than or than any other. Okay. And third one, in positive degree, the adjective is preceded by as or so and followed by as. Okay. When two things are compared, the superlative degrees cannot be used. For example, blood is thicker than water. So here we are comparing with two, but we can't able to add the superlative here. That is the example. When two things are compared, the superlative degree cannot be used.